If you've just started learning to code, you might be worried about whether it's still worth it, given all the news about major layoffs in big tech companies. Today, we're going to break down the timeline of layoffs, the reason behind them, how they impacted coders, and whether it is still worth it to learn programming in 2024. Let's dive in. Number 1, timeline.
It's rewind time.
Starting in late 2022, Twitter's takeover by Elon Musk led to the layoff of 3,700 employees, followed by Meta and Amazon cutting 11,000 and 10,000 jobs in November. The trend continued in 2023 with major cuts from Salesforce, Microsoft, Google, and Meta. In 2024, Meta conducts another round of layoffs, cutting 10,000 jobs after losing over $10 billion on Metaverse. Microsoft lays off 1,900 employees across its gaming divisions following Activision Blizzard acquisition. Tesla cuts 14,000 employees, that's 10% of the workforce, after disappointing Cybertruck sales. Amazon, Google, IBM, Salesforce, and Twitter collectively laid off thousands more. In total, over 100,000 tech jobs vanished. 2. Reason for layoffs. Why did these layoffs happen? First, overhiring during the pandemic. Companies like Meta and Amazon hired aggressively, expecting long-term demand spikes. The sudden shift to remote work and online services created a surge in demand, and tech companies expanded rapidly to keep up. Next, slow growth and economic uncertainty, including inflation, chip shortages, and lingering COVID impacts. Companies anticipated a potential recession and began cutting costs preemptively.
Carnivore diet will fix that.
Additionally, many companies increased their reliance on contract hires from developing countries to cut costs. Investor pressure to increase profits also led to job cuts. With shareholders demanding better financial performance, companies had to streamline operations and reduce expenses. Finally, advancements in AI-enabled automation of some roles reduced the need for human workers. Number 3, how coders were affected. How did this impact coders? According to 365 Data Science, software engineers were the second most affected group, making up 22% of layoffs. HR specialists were the hardest hit, but engineers, marketers, and customer service reps also faced significant layoffs. The impact varied at specific companies. For example, software engineers were the most affected positions on Twitter and Google, but at Amazon, Meta, and Microsoft, HR departments took the biggest hit. Number 4, is it worth it to learn programming in 2024? So is it still worth learning programming in 2024? Absolutely. The US Bureau of Labor Statistics projects a 25% growth in software developer jobs from 2022 to 2032. Even in 2024, demands for developers is expected to grow by 13%. Experts see the layoffs as a short-term correction, with hiring expected to rebound. On top of that, programming offers career flexibility, high salaries, and remote work opportunities. In 2024, the average salary for a software engineer in the US was $139,702. Additionally, emerging technologies like AI, machine learning, and cybersecurity create new roles and opportunities. Staying current with these trends and continually updating your skills can make you a highly sought-after candidate. In summary, while tech layoffs are challenging, the future for programmers remains bright. Keep learning, stay adaptable, and you'll find your place in this dynamic field. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech insights. See you next time.